Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to track project risks using ASANA, the complete 2025 guide. First up, let's dive right into creating a risk management project in ASANA. This helps us centralize all project risks in one place, making it easy to track and manage. Click the orange plus button in ASANA, select Project, and let's name it Risk Management. Now that we've done that, it's time to set up the project layout. The reason we do this is to organize the risk factors based on their importance and impact. Click List under View and add columns like Risk for the risk factor, Impact for its potential damage, and Mitigation Plan for your response strategy. Next up, we're going to add our risks. In the Risk column, click on plus Add Task and type in your identified risk. This helps us because having each risk as a task will allow us to track its status and assign it to a team member. After adding the risk, don't forget to fill in the impact and mitigation plan columns. Let me explain why this matters. Tracking risks in this way not only helps us keep a bird's eye view on potential pitfalls, it also makes sure everyone on the team knows what risks to watch out for and how to respond. Finally, it's essential to keep the project updated. Regularly review the risks, update their status, and adjust the mitigation plans as necessary. This ensures that your risk management is dynamic and adapts to the changing project landscape. And there you have it. You're now equipped to track project risks using ASANA. Remember, risk management isn't a one-and-done action, but a process that evolves with your project. Keep an eye on it and adjust as needed. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next tutorial.